What's up everybody, it's your boy HM Hardcore Magic, and in this video I want to be showing you a way in which you can change one card into another card, but in a really visual way, okay? It looks something like this. So let's say you take this card, the 9 of clubs, okay? And just with a little wiggle, I can change the 9 into the 4 of clubs, okay? It looks really visual, and I'm also going to be sharing with you a trick that you can do with this color change. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, here's the trick. So, you go out and spread the cards, have the spectator pick one, and you tell them to look at it, okay? In this case, it's that one. Okay, remember that card. And you put the card back into the deck. So you divide the deck and put their exact card, in this case the Queen of Diamonds, back in the deck, and you go ahead and give it a couple of cuts, okay? And you maybe give it a shuffle, okay, just like that, and you go ahead and say, with just a little snap, I can bring the card to the top of the deck. And now everyone's sure you've done some sort of card control because that was crappy, right? And you show them and you're really confident that's their card, but then it's not, right? And you say, okay, even though I'm not a good controller, I'm a card controller, I'm a good painter, so let's see if I can kind of paint your card out just like that. And right now you show their selected Queen of Diamonds, and they would freak out, okay? And that's pretty much the trick. Really amazing trick. And I'll show you exactly how to do the paintbrush color change, and I'll show you how the trick is done. Alright everybody, this is the tutorial, okay? So, here we go. So this is a paintbrush color change, and I'm going to be showing you the detailed technique. But before that, I want to share with you this effect. And this is one of those effects in which high expectations, I can control a card, but then goes low because you flash and it's not their card. Everyone relaxes. Ah, this guy's trash. And then when they're down low there, you hit them up with this amazing paintbrush color change, and boom, their reactions is amazing. So here we go with the color change. Alright, so first you're grabbing a double, whatever double works. In this case I'm doing a pinky count push off. I'm gonna put up a link of a strike double, which looks something like this, okay, and those two cards. That looks really good too, but a pinky count double and a push off just feels really good to me, okay? So the 9 of hearts, just like that, and you're holding a break. And now when you turn over the card back over, you're going to do one of these motions, okay? So you're not exactly turning the card over, you're doing one of these motions. So if you see, I'm turning it over, and the last second I'm pulling it back, and that creates kind of a bend, if you guys can see that, okay? And that bend, you're going to utilize it. So you're going to do it once or twice, and in the third time, what I'm doing is when the card is in that bend and there's a lot of tension in that card, I'm just going to be releasing this card down, if you guys saw that, and exposing this card, essentially executing the change, okay? So let me do it again. So grab the double and say your card jumps to the top, and everyone says no, and you say 1 or 2 times do this, and the second time when that tension is built up, just release this card, exposing their card. And when you do it in speed, okay, you do it in speed, you're here, boom, 9 of diamonds, was that it? Oh really? Let's say I have the 10 of clubs, and I say, just like that, changes into the jack of diamonds. Okay, it looks really good when you do it at the right speed. So yeah, that's it, guys. And now I'm gonna be showing you the trick. Okay, briefly running it over. It's pretty self-explanatory from now. So tell them to pick one Joker. Okay, and now when you put it back in the deck, flash your double undercut. This is the worst double undercut you're ever gonna be doing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a big break and I'm gonna be like this. I'm gonna try to hide it, but they're gonna obviously see it. Now I'm gonna grab it from here and do the worst thing. Normally you would do a double undercut like this. You're gonna be doing the worst where you're gonna be taking it from the back and kind of pulling it up. And there for sure you're doing some sort of fishy move. And now you can like fake shuffle and go like this, act like you're really shuffling, but then, you know, it's super obvious. And finally you say your card's gonna jump to the top of the deck, boom, just like that. There. And boom, that's not gonna be their card, right? And now you execute the snap, or not the snap, but the paintbrush, and boom, their card changes to Joker. And just because you know the method, don't underestimate the trick. It's just because you know the method, because changing one card into another card is not a casual thing. It's a really magical moment. So leave the time for each magical moment, and you'll be a better magician overall. Okay, so that's the snap change, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. A lot more tutorials coming up in Hardcore Magic. I know I haven't posted in 3 or 2 weeks, and I was a little down, and right now I'm back, and I got a lot more tutorials for you guys. I got some coin magic, I got some ring magic, I got some mentalism, I got some advanced card stuff, everything coming up. So to get all of the other tutorials I'm going to be posting, subscribe link is down below. So subscribe to the channel. I'll put up a link right here later in the video. So right here, my logo. Click that link and subscribe to my channel. And let's see if we can get 20 likes on this video, alright? 20 likes. So hit that like button, thumbs up, and I'll see you later. Peace out.